Imagine you wake up one day and nothing seems to interest you, and you don't like to do anything. Nothing seems to be good. You don't even know what your purpose is or why you do what you do. And you don't want to do anything but sit down and watch movies all day because you don't know what to do and nothing seems to matter anymore. But all you know is something is supposed to matter, something is supposed to spark your interest. There must be something you love to do, but you don't know what it is. It's just like you've been born again and you don't know what to believe or what you believe. It's just that this time you are maybe 20 something or maybe in your 20s or 30s. The question is, how did you get here? Well, I don't know, but I do know how to get out because I have been here before. I have feel the same feeling before. I have wake up not knowing what to do. I have wake up looking in the mirror and not knowing why I am doing what I am doing. But one thing that helped me was gratitude. Like saying thank you before even saying the thing I am grateful for. Thanking God for the universe, thanking God for where you are, even though you don't even understand. I think that is faith. When you say thank you, your mind will go, for what? And start looking for what you are grateful for. And that's how you find it. There is a saying that whatever you are looking for, you will find. Because in this same situation, you could make things worse, but you could also make things better. And I think the best way to start making things better is by being grateful and letting your mind find reasons why you should be. This is for when you feel numb.